Hello, welcome. We have exponential equation that we are going to solve. We need to solve for x, and they have given to us 2 power 2x plus 1 plus 5 in the bracket 2 power x minus 3 is equal to 0. First, I'm going to split 2 power x plus 1 into its product form. We know that if we have a power m plus n, this is equal to a or m multiplied by a or n. I'm going to use this identity to split 2 power 2x plus 1. 2 power 2x multiplied by 2 power 1 power 2x minus 3, this is equal to 0. 2 power 2x is the same as 2 power x power 2, because 2 power x is equal to 2x multiplied by 2 power 1 plus 5, 2 power x minus 3, this is equal to 0. 2 power x and 2 power x are common. Now we are going to let y is equal to 2 power x and substitute y to the place where there is 2 power x. Y square multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by y minus 3, this is equal to 0. That is 2y square plus 5y minus 3, this is equal to 0. Let us factorize 2y square plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. A times b is supposed to be equal to 3 multiplied by minus 3, it is minus 6, and a plus b, we need to get the middle term, which is 5. A is equal to 6, and b is equal to minus 1. 6 multiplied by minus 1, we get minus 6, and 6 plus minus 1, we get 5. Now let's split this middle term. 2y square plus 6y minus y minus 3, this is equal to 0. We're going to factorize. Factor out 2y. We are going to remain with y plus 3 minus 1. Here we have y plus 3 is equal to 0. Our factors are 2y minus 1 and y plus 3. 2y minus 1, this is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 1. I'm going to divide by 2 both sides. By 2, 1, by 2, 1. I get y is equal to a half. And also, y plus 3 is equal to 0. Y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we get y is equal to negative 3. We get value of y is equal to a half, and y is equal to negative 3. But remember, we say y is equal to 2 power x. Now let's solve for x. I'm going to substitute y equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to 2 power x. I'm going to apply log base 2 both sides. That is going to be log base 2 negative 3. This is equal to log of 2 power x. I'm going to drop x in front of log. This is x log 2 base 2, this is equal to log negative 3 base 2. But since we have a negative log here, which is impossible, we are going to omit this solution of x. Now let's take y is equal to a half. 2 power x is equal to a half. 2 power x is equal to, I'm going to reciprocate a half. It's going to be 2 power minus 1. If we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If we have the same base, exponents are equal. b is equal to c. I have the same base 2 here, so exponents is going to be equal. For that case, x is equal to minus 1. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.